I want to share with you how to use the new TeamViewer, new and improved for 2018. It's much simpler, and just with a couple of clicks you can connect with me remotely, and I can take over your desktop to install software or troubleshoot or whatever needs to be done. First, from our home page, you can click on the technology link. The technology link, you have to be a employee to use the technology link. So if you click on it and you're prompted for username and password, it's trying to log you into your Google account. From the technology page, click on download TeamViewer here, and you can see there's only a couple of steps versus the last version, which was 4 or 5 steps. It's asking me where I want to save it. It may not ask you. It may automatically put it in your downloads, but it is asking me, and it is going to save it into my downloads. From Google Chrome, most of the time we'll pop this bar up down at the bottom to show you the progress. If it doesn't, from Google Chrome, you can always click the 3 dots and click Downloads and see everything that's been downloaded recently. So when it's downloaded, you just want to click on it. You'll probably get a security file warning. Say yes, you want to run it. Now it populates this little window with your ID and password. This is all there is to it. You either email me your ID and password, or you can text me your ID and password. As long as I'm at my computer in my office, I can then take over your computer and help you or install software or troubleshoot as long as you have internet connection.